Hello guys, this is for Capri Cafe, Zallaq Springs. It is in Bahrain. So I'm showing my restaurant, my owner restaurant, not my restaurant. So can you check this restaurant, this place? It's nice and beautiful. It's owner's restaurant. It's very nice place. This is all his restaurant. Today is not busy oil, so that's why I will make video for this. This is Raj. Hi Raj. It's nice coffee shop, tasty place. Yeah, this is for pasty. Hey, this is for Sachin. Say hi.
अरे वीडियो बना ले यूट्यूब पे बोल रहा है
This is for another one chef coming.
Which one reference here? Table?
Page, it's nice restaurant. This for inside in restaurant. This for after I will go after. This for outside. It is outside. You can see guys, it is outside. I'm in head chef for this restaurant. It's very nice place. If you coming this Capri Cafe restaurant, you can enjoy for your life because there is how fish also. You can see it's very nice place. You can enjoy. This is lobster. It is office. Small office is okay. And that is his lobster. Very nice place. Okay guys, come and enjoy. And my name is Chef Rubel. I'm in head chef for this restaurant. So if you are coming, enjoy your food. I hope you are coming all guys. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.